Hello, my name is Jason Arnold, and I am demonstrating for you my web application for a bank login. It's a pretty simple one. Starts with an index page that directs you over to a login page. It's the only thing that's on it at the moment. Login page has a form with some validation for information in it that gets the customer's ID and password. Passes that information over to a login servlet. It takes that information in, pulls the information, customer ID, gets the information from the database for that customer, and then compares the information taken from the website to the information from the database, forwards that information on to, if the two match, then it goes to a display accounts page, JSP, which will show you a list of the customer's accounts. Otherwise, it'll take you to a login error page and prompt you to go back out. So the accounts page cycles through a list of account objects that the customer may have. So let me show it to you in action. It's pretty simple. Start it up here, and we get to the bank, log into the account, we enter our information, and then don't have the passwords hidden, but when you log in, it should do, as I said, this is checking against the database to see that these two fields are correct. If so, it's going to pull all of my account information, and then if this login information were incorrect, it would give you an error logging in with that user ID. And that's it.